Hello friends. Imagine you're accelerating but suddenly your engine stutters, loses power, or even misfires. You plug in an obd2 scanner and it throws code P0212 Injector Circuit Malfunction, cylinder 12. What does this mean and how can you fix it? Diagnostic trouble code P0212 means the Engine Control Module, ECM, has detected an issue with the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 12. This could be due to a faulty fuel injector, damaged or corroded wiring, a failing ECM, or low fuel pressure. If ignored, this issue can cause rough idling, poor fuel economy, and even complete engine failure. The location depends on your engine type. For V12 engines, which are common in luxury and performance cars, cylinder 12 is typically on the passenger side, towards the rear. The fuel injector is mounted on the intake manifold, connected to the fuel rail. 1. Bad fuel injector. A clogged or damaged injector won't deliver fuel properly. 2. Wiring issues. Frayed, disconnected, or corroded wires can disrupt the injector signal. 3. ECM failure. The engine computer may not be sending proper signals to the injector. 4. Fuel system problems. A weak fuel pump or clogged filter can reduce fuel pressure. Step 1. Inspect the wiring and connector for cylinder 12's injector. Fix or replace any damaged parts. Step 2. Use a multimeter to check injector resistance. If it's outside 10 to 15 ohms, replace the injector. Step 3. Check for voltage at the injector connector. If there's no voltage, the issue could be wiring or ECM failure. Step 4. Swap the injector with another cylinder. If the code moves, the injector is faulty and needs replacement. Ignoring P0212 can lead to engine misfires, loss of power, and increased fuel consumption. Fix it early to avoid costly repairs. If the issue persists, consult a professional mechanic.